The day that nothing went right. So I went to go turn this on and whoa! I thought, oh no, I won't be able to turn off the water. Number 2 is the garage. Watch. It does not open.
We just spent $500 to get a new garage door opener, and what happens when we press that button, eh?
It won't open. You have to push this button, hold it down until it turns blue, let go of the button, and then push it again. And then, oh, we have to hold it down. And then it opens.
Now you look like the Statue of Liberty.
You can't let go, you have to keep holding it.
What went wrong after that?
Well, the steering wheel locked and we couldn't get it unlocked. We put the key in and I wasn't able to move the key. It wouldn't turn, and then the steering wheel was also locked. Found it on the internet. You just put the key in the ignition and then jiggle the steering wheel a bit until it unlocks, and then you can move your key. So
And start the car.
And start the car, and that worked.
Yay!
Yeah, that worked. But
all right, you know what? Since it started, might as well leave it going, because
Yeah.
the next thing they have to do is start the other car.
the LS 430.
It's time.
It's time. It got dusty. It's too pretty of a car to be dusty.
Will it stay open? Let go.
Nope.
And no.
No.
You're just having a day.
Got the hood up. I'm gonna put it here, and it's gonna work just fine.
I'm not putting my hands underneath there without you being over here, though.
Yeah. Moment of truth. Will it start?
It's been a month. It's plugged in.
Oh, that's good sound.
That's a good sound.
It started!
Well, yeah, with the help from the other Lexus.
Yeah.
It was some Lexus on Lexus help there, so
Yeah,
we're good.
we're good there. So comfortable. There's one more thing we need to do is see if the hood will close.
All right.
So let's remove our trusty stick. And
Ba-da-dam. Let's drop.
it closed. Yay!
3 things not good, 1 good.
See? Now it's just gonna start getting better. Just a day. I mean, things always come in threes, right? And then things turn around and get better. So
And what should people do?
please like and subscribe to our channel. That would definitely make things better.